Hi, and welcome to Goddess 1207. Guess what? I am turning 65. 65 in September, so I decided it was time to go for a little upgrade at the dermatologist's office. So this is the before. So I'm going to do a number of things in the coming months, and I want to share them with you because I know you're fascinated to see what modern technology could do for a mature woman. Naturally, I'm not supporting that every person in the world has to do these things. It's just what I want to do for me. The other day, I asked my daughter, the one with Down syndrome, she's 37. I said, Chrissy, how old do you think I am? Just what number do you think? What do you think? She said, of course, I'm hoping for 40 or 50 or 20 or 15. Like she said, 60? I said, yeah, I'll take 60. 60 is good. I don't know why it is we think we need to look younger or firmer or taller or thinner. It seems to be the older we get, the more mature we get, things start disappearing, elasticity, brain cells. The only thing that seems to come very plentiful as you get older is fat. Fat, it just appears out of nowhere in places that, oh well, we're not here to talk about fat. We're here to talk about plumping up and taking away redness. So stick around, especially if you're brave enough to see some before pictures without makeup. Don't say I didn't warn you. This is the before for my upcoming visit to the dermatologist. She loves to see me coming. She says, there is that sucker. She will buy everything. And indeed, I am sort of a risk taker. This particular visit is going to include some filler for my little mountain ranges I have here, the Royal Gorge over here, and then some IPL, hopefully to help take care of some of the broken capillaries. I know you get rid of one and another one just comes back in its place. But anyway, you feel better for a little while. And maybe I will do a little Botox. I do not know. But, she looks at me and says, hey, you're going to help me make a house payment this month. So I do my part. Okay, how about a close-up? Are you ready? You might need a drink first. As you can see, I have ample opportunities to keep doctors in business. Broken capillaries, skin that has decided to be as old as the rest of my body. I've noticed over time that when you have multiple Botox injections, you actually break capillaries. At least I have. This one right here was definitely from Botox being repeated, but that doesn't worry me because I love my Botox and I'm just going to keep going with it. It's sort of a self-perpetuating cycle. Botox, broken capillary, IPL, Botox, broken capillary, ad infinitum. Sadly, my money doesn't gonna be that way. I wonder if she'll ever have that house paid off. I bet she will. Okay, I'm back in the car now after just having received the injections, and I bleed very easily, so don't be afraid. And the numbing cream is still in effect, but let's see if I can show you what it looks like immediately. Okay. Okay, here I am about 7 days from my visit to the Botoxologist and fillerologist. And if you look closely, you can see it's a very subtle difference. This is Juvederm Ultra Plus. I was surprised to learn that last year I put some filler in, but it just didn't work. It didn't last. But hopefully, this is what I used once before, about 4 years ago. and it lasted a long time. So hopefully this one will too. She also gave me some Botox, which I really was surprised about, but there comes a point in time when no matter what you do, I don't think things are going to go away. You have to embrace them and enjoy them. So I'm trying. I did bruise some because I always bruise, but I'm sure you already know that if you relax the muscle, then the bruise will be less. And she got me one time right here when I wasn't ready. And the next night I went to a wedding and not one person said anything about it. But I did sit like this most of the night, as you do. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. My next one will be in a few weeks after I do the IPL laser thingy to help temporarily get rid of some of the broken capillaries that I have. And no one will be able to see the difference except me, because these are tiny little broken capillaries, but they just need to go. They only bother me, but you know, when something bothers you, it bothers you. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.